Hello and welcome to TechFunnel.com's interview series. My name is Danny White, and today we have the opportunity to talk to Rob Woollen. He will share his thoughts on the recent acquisitions of Looker to Google and Tabula to Salesforce. Rob is co-founder and CEO of Sigma Computing, a cloud-native business intelligence and analytics solution that makes data accessible and approachable to everyone. Rob has more than 20 years of experience building distributed and cloud systems. Prior to co-founding Sigma, he was an entrepreneur in residence at Sutter Hill Ventures, where he played a key role in designing and developing cloud data warehouse provider Snowflake, and where the idea for Sigma was born. Rob spent 6 years at Salesforce, serving as principal architect and then SVP, before leading the Salesforce and Work.com platforms as CTO. His previous experience also includes being a software engineer at both BEA Systems and HP. Rob holds a Bachelor of Science degree from Princeton University in computer science. Welcome, Rob. Thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Awesome. So we'll get right into the recent acquisitions of Looker, who went to Google, and Tabula to Salesforce. Looker was recently acquired just the week before last, and Salesforce picked up Tabula this week. What is it about advancements in business intelligence and data visualization that has these companies wanting to expand their horizons?
Data science is now for everyone. We've heard a lot of news in the past few years about data scientists. Mm-hmm. Every job and every company wants to be data-driven. Every employee has their own expertise, but it's not SQL or Python. It's not the tools that a professional data scientist might know. And so what I think companies need to do is embrace their marketing, finance, sales expertise and let them use these business intelligence tools to answer their questions.
Awesome. So some experts are celebrating both of these mergers as innovative and very promising for both now and in the future. You have a different take and don't feel like it's so much of a slam dunk. So tell us why and what you think should have happened instead.
I think they bought the past. Google and Salesforce are among the most innovative companies in the world. Salesforce was cloud before that was even a term, but Tableau is a PC application and Windows servers. And if you look at Google, Google prides itself on cloud technology. Pay for what you use, letting you sign up and go immediately, letting you just click and immediately get the value of their platform. But Looker is heavy enterprise software. You spend months programming in their proprietary modeling language before you can do anything with Looker. And that's really different than Gmail or Google Analytics or anything else you know Google for.
So as a former CTO of Salesforce and having seen several of these acquisitions during your time there, what type of a critical emergence do you expect will come about in terms of maybe new generations of analytics solutions?
I think we need the modern spreadsheet with live cloud data. Excel and its predecessors gave everyone the ability to ask detailed questions. And business intelligence so far, and all these existing products, they've really focused on a small number of people building reports and dashboards. So what I see as the emergence is bringing that spreadsheet interface into the cloud. Everyone in your company should have secure and governed access to answer even their most detailed questions. That's the innovation that we're looking for.
Got it. So if Google wanted to make an acquisition of a similar company, what would you have recommended?
I think the general strategy that Google's done here is really a big departure for them. And I think it really risks derailing them in the market. Their magic has been building incredible technology for their search, ads, and other businesses. And then bringing that technology to everyone in their cloud. They created Hadoop, Bigtable, BigQuery, Kubernetes, and many others. And they all work together seamlessly because Google used them all together internally. And so I would have liked to see Google leverage that sort of history and really sort of bring it out of their own technology, bring that magic. That's what I think everyone in the industry was looking for.
Got it. So in reading some of the reports, Google's acquisition of Looker said that they were hoping to create a product that's more cohesive across data elements and strategies. Do they have a long way to go in terms of catching up to cloud data giants like Amazon's AWS or Microsoft?
I think Google's magic again is that internal technology that they've built out, and what I see is that that's where they've really been able to leapfrog the industry. So I want to see them do that more, and I think that's their ability to catch up is to leverage the magic of what they built in ads and analytics, and not trying to buy companies and assemble some solution together with large amounts of professional services. I think what the industry is looking for Google is really that technology leadership, something that they've built that essentially amazes everyone, so that they all go out and build companies that leverage it. That's the step forward we want to see from Google.
Got it. With these acquisitions, how do you think it will impact CIOs and the IT industry as a whole?
I think cloud is not only here, but it's now at the center of IT. And 10 plus years ago, when I was at Salesforce, we'd be trying to convince companies to move to the cloud. And then it became not if they're going to move to the cloud, but when. And companies started planning those migrations. And now if you look at any enterprise, every IT department, every CIO, they have many cloud solutions. And really the shift that you're seeing with these acquisitions is that cloud is now at the center of their strategy. They have many business apps in the cloud and what they're trying to do with analytics is bring all of that data together in the cloud so it can live alongside all of those applications that have really become the center of their IT.
Awesome. Any closing thoughts that you think IT professionals, CIOs in particular, should be aware of as they maybe expand using Google's cloud services or even Salesforce's services?
I think we're in a fantastic time to be able to leverage so much innovation in the cloud. I think the bit that I've loved the most about working in cloud technology is really the rapid pace, not having to install new versions or wait for someone to upgrade. You just constantly get innovation, and every one of us leverages that in our personal lives, right? Facebook and Gmail and all these things. Just you get constant sort of progress and innovation. And what I think is really been one of the great benefits of cloud moving to the enterprise is that now everyone in their work life gets just constant innovation from these companies and many more.
Right. Awesome. Thank you so much, Rob, for stopping by today to share your insights with us on both of these acquisitions that have taken place over the past 2 weeks. We really do appreciate your time.
Absolutely. Thank you.